Hello student. Now today we are going to start chapter 8 exercise 8.2. What is the name of this chapter? Name of this chapter perimeter and area. Okay. Chapter 8 perimeter and area exercise 8.2 page number 147. What problem? What is the first question? First question, Rana has to fix the lace around a rug. It is the rug and this is in which shape? One side is 80 centimeter and another side length is 50 centimeter. Means one is the length, another one is the breadth. It means it is the which shape? It is a rectangle. Okay, and what is the speciality of the rectangle? In the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So this rug in which shape? In the rectangle shape. So Rahna has to fix the lace around a rug. She bought a 20-meter roll of lace. How much lace will be needed for one rug? One rug के लिए कितना lace use होगा? And it is the first question. Then one more thing, how much lace will be used for the 5 rugs? It is the second question. And how much lace will be left over? So how many questions asking in that? 3 questions asking. First, how much lace will be needed for one rug? Second, how much lace will be used for 5 rug? And third, how much lace will be left over? Okay. So in first question, they are asking the 3 questions. So it is in which shape? It is in the rectangle shape, rug. So first we find length. What is given? Length. Length is given 80 centimeter and the breadth is equal to 50 centimeter. Okay. First we find out the parameter of the rug. Rug in which shape? Rectangle shape. That is why we apply the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiply length plus 2 multiply breadth. That is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Why we apply the formula of rectangle? Because of rug in which shape? In the rectangle shape. How we can identify? Because of in the rectangle, length and breadth both have the different size. So 2 multiply length plus 2 multiply breadth. Now put the both values in the formula. 2 multiply 80 centimeter plus 2 multiply 50 centimeter. Okay. Now 2 adds 8 2s 160 centimeter plus 100 centimeter. Okay. Now the total 260 centimeter. It is the perimeter of rug. It means that is the perimeter of rectangle. It means what is asking in that first question? How much lace will be needed for one rug? So how much lace will be needed? Perimeter means total length of the boundary of the figure. Means when we cover the lace on the boundary of this figure, it means it is the total length. Okay. So that we write how much lace will be needed for one rug. So lace needed for one rug is equal to 260 centimeter. Okay. First question completed. Now other 2 questions also asking in that. How much lace will be used for 5 rugs? Lace needed for 5 rugs is equal to this number multiplied by 5. 260 centimeter multiplied by 5. So we get 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13. 1300 centimeter. Okay, now 2 questions completed. Now third one asking in that, how much lace will be left over? What is the total length of the lace? 20 meter. Total length of lace. Total length of lace is equal to 20 meter. Okay, 20 meter. Now this number in the centimeter, keep in your mind. One number have in the meter. First we try to make them same unit. So 20 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 20 meter is equal to 20 multiplied by 100 centimeter. It means 2000 centimeter. Okay. Now the third question, how much lace will be left over? So length of lace left over is equal to 2000 centimeter minus 2000 minus 1300. So what we get? We get the 700 centimeter. 700 centimeter means 7 meter. That's answer. Okay. Have you cleared this question? From the starting once again. Rug in which shape? In the rectangle shape. And length and breadth already given. First we find out the perimeter of the rectangle by using the formula. Both values put in the formula and find out the total boundary of the figure. That is the perimeter. So this perimeter means need for the, when we cover the lace on this boundary, it means one round is cover. Okay, by the lace. लेस से ये पूरा रग जो है कवर हो गया है. तो वन रग इज कवर्ड बाय द लेस इज इक्वल टू 260 सेंटीमीटर. सो वन मोर इज आस्किंग देयर, how much lace will be needed for the 5 rugs? That is why this number multiply by 5. So we get 1300 centimeter. Then another third question asking, what is the length of the lace left over? So first total length of the lace is given 20 meter, given in the book. Okay, so total length of the lace is equal to 20 meter. But this number in the centimeter and this number given in the meter. First this number we will convert into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 20 meter is equal to 20 multiply 100 means 2000 centimeter. Now length of the lace left over is equal to 2000 minus 1300 means 1300. So we get the 700 centimeter. 700 centimeter means 7 meter. That's answer. Okay. Now the question number 2. All of you read the question number 2. What is given in that? In the question number 2. Okay. Question number 2. Every morning Mr. Ali walk around a triangular park. Park in which shape? Triangular park. It is which shape? It is the triangle. So Mr. Ali walks around a triangular park of the side 90 meter, 120 meter and 150 meter. It is the side of the length of the side of the triangle. How much distance does he walk every morning? Okay, so there are given the 3 sides of the triangular park. So first we find the perimeter. Perimeter of triangular park, parameter of the triangular park is equal to, how we can find the parameter of this shape? By adding the sum of the all side of the boundary of figure. It means 90 meter plus 120 meter plus 150 meter. When we add the all three numbers, so we get when we add the all numbers, 0 plus 0 plus 0 0, 5, 9 plus 2 11 plus 5 16, carry 1 3, 360 meter. It is the parameter of the triangular park. It means we can say it is the total distance of the one round of this triangular park. So Mr. Ali walk around the triangular park. It means, what is asking there? How much distance does he walk every morning? So Mr. Ali cover the distance in one round is equal to 360 meter. Okay, now one more thing is asking there. Mr. Kapoor takes 2 round of the same park. मिस्टर अली जो है वो सिर्फ एक राउंड लगाते हैं इस ट्रायंगुलर पार्क का, बट मिस्टर कपूर टेक द 2 राउंड ऑफ द सेम ट्रायंगुलर पार्क. सो नाउ मिस्टर कपूर takes 2 round. It means distance covered by Mr. Kapoor in 2 round is equal to 2 multiplied by 360 meter. It means 2 multiply 0 0, 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. It means मिस्टर अली जो हैं 1 राउंड लगाते हैं इस ट्रायंगुलर पार्क का, तो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करते? 360 मीटर. बट व्हेन द मिस्टर कपूर टेक द 2 राउंड ऑफ द सेम ट्रायंगुलर पार्क, इट मीन्स this number multiply by 2. So we get 720 meter. That's answer. Okay, have you clear how to solve the word sums? Now the question number 3rd. A square meter of the side 30 centimeter has been found. It means mirror in which shape? In the square or the rectangle? In which shape? In the square shape. 3rd number question. A square mirror in which shape? Square shape. And what is the speciality of the square? All sides are equal. If only one side is given of the square, it means other side also of the same length. It means only one length here is given, the length of one side only 30 centimeter. So other side भी क्या होंगे? 30 centimeter होंगे. 30 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Okay. A square mirror of the side 30 centimeter has been framed. What is the length of the frame needed? ओके, एक फ्रेम इस पे लगाना है, तो कितना लेंथ चाहिए फ्रेम का, कितने लेंथ फ्रेम का कितना लेंथ नीडेड है. सो इट मीन्स पैरामीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? 4 into side. That is the formula to finding the parameter of a square. And what is the length of given? Length side is equal to 30 centimeter. So this value we put in the formula, 4 into 30 centimeter. It means 120 centimeter. Yes, now give this answer in the meter and centimeter. It means this answer we have to convert into meter and centimeter. Okay, that is the answer. Now this answer have to convert into meter and centimeter both. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. That is why 120 centimeter is equal to 120 upon 100 meter. How many 0 in the denominator? 2 0. So from the back side we put the decimal before the 2 digit. It means 1 meter. How we can write this? 1.20 meter. It means 1 meter 20 centimeter. That's answer. Now the question number 4, last question of this exercise. All of you read the question number 4. What is given in that? In the question number 4, Rita has a 1 meter long ribbon. Fourth question. She uses it to decorate the given handkerchief. How much ribbon will be left over? It means handkerchief in which shape? In the square shape. Square shape. Okay, 15 centimeter. Another one side is also 15 centimeter. It means handkerchief in the square shape. Is that clear? Okay. Now, first we find perimeter of ribbon. Okay, perimeter of handkerchief. Handkerchief in which shape? And the square shape. That is why first we find the perimeter of a square, or we can say perimeter of the handkerchief. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Okay, 4 into side, and the side is given 15 centimeter. So this value put in the formula, 4 into 15 centimeter. So what is the answer? 60 centimeter. Okay, now Rita has a 1 meter long ribbon, means total length of the ribbon is equal to 1 meter. She uses it to decorate the given handkerchief. How much ribbon will be left over? तो कितना रिबन यूज हुआ है हैंडकरचीफ को डेकोरेट करने के लिए? 60 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ वन मोर थिंग इज आस्किंग हाउ मच रिबन विल बी लेफ्ट ओवर. सो total length of a ribbon is equal to 1 meter. 1 meter means we can say 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. That is the total length of the ribbon. Okay, and 60 centimeter is already used to decorate the handkerchief. So asking how much length of the ribbon will be left over. So length of a ribbon left over is equal to 100 centimeter minus 60 centimeter. It means answer is 40 centimeter. इट मीन्स रिबन का कितना पोर्शन लेफ्ट ओवर बचा है? लेफ्ट ओवर है 40 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो नाउ दिस एक्सरसाइज फिनिश्ड, एंड at least 1 time 2 time you have to solve this exercise in rough copy. Okay, and also you have to complete the CW copy. Thank you.